Okay guys, so today we thought we'd do something really fun. This is actually my daughter's idea. We're gonna debunk beauty hacks. All these crazy beauty hacks on the internet. Mona, my beautiful model, and she doesn't have any makeup on. You cannot leave. She doesn't have any makeup on because we're gonna be trying some things on her face with some interesting things. So I think I have to take your hair out.
Yeah,
Can I take your hair out? Okay. Please make sure you guys thumbs this video up, especially since Mona's in this video. And if you guys want to see more videos with Mona, with Monie Pony.
Monie Pony.
Monie Pony. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let us know what you guys want to do together. Who knows what we could do? A lot of things are running through my head. I'm getting a little worried about thinking about it. But this is gonna be really fun. Make sure you guys subscribe, check us out everywhere else, and let's get to this. The first thing that we're gonna debunk, this was, I don't know if this was on the internet, if my team is really just trying to like torture Mona.
I think they are.
You can use maxi pads in case you don't have hair rollers to curl your hair. We're gonna first grab, this is just a little water. Mona, I could ruin your hair?
Yeah.
I'm not good at hair.
I went to the gym today, so
oh my God.
it's dirty anyway.
Her hair's so silky.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Let's do the front because we want volume. Oh, I'm so sorry. I told you I don't know how to do hair. And I'm gonna take this rolled up maxi pad. And I'm gonna roll your hair out. This
Not bad, actually.
Yeah. Well, let's see how it turns out. So we're only gonna do 2 pieces here. Oops.
Oh.
Oops. You need bobby pins for this. We're gonna leave that to dry, and then at the end, Mona's gonna have these beautiful kind of retro curls.
Yes.
On one side of her.
my hair.
Yeah. True story. Mona doesn't even use pads. TMI.
What are you saying, Huda?
And now we're using them in your hair.
I
And
feel
we're
like
gonna use
diapers.
them on your face.
Okay, I don't like them. Anyway, leave me alone.
This is too much information.
Way too much information. I'm gonna be cut.
So now we're gonna try, this apparently has been online and it's worked and it's amazing. A maxi pad is a beauty blender too. So if you're somebody who has a lot of pads
This is a great
lying
day.
around, then these are things that you can use with the maxi pad. Comment down below if you guys have any other good uses of maxi pads. We just wanna know. Okay, you wrap it around your hand. I don't know if it depends on the type of pad. I'm not sure if this one's gonna be extra soak it up extra. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either.
Okay, I'm gonna grab foundation in your color. You mix, right? You mix 2 shades. Already, and
Latte.
I do 1 squirt of each. I'm gonna try this on one side of her face to see how it goes. Let me just kind of do this and then this.
Then again, the pad is probably gonna absorb all of
Right. This could be great. How does it feel?
it. It sucks.
Oh my God, it's so nice.
Really?
Oh my God, it's like a beauty blender because it's so natural. By the way, I don't
Are you enjoying this?
I don't do makeup on people like that. It's only on Mona. Oh my God, the finish is amazing. Mona, look at it. Oh my God, look at it. Wow.
It actually does look pretty
No,
good.
it looks amazing. It looks like skin. It's better than a beauty blender. Why does a pad have to be so amazing? That worked.
It does look really good.
I can't believe that worked. And I think you could use it for a long time if you wanted
put it
to.
on my forehead?
You try it now.
This is definitely.
It made applications so easy. I'm actually shocked. Guys, you can use your pads for multiple things.
Should we hand this off to the product development team?
I think so. The next hack that we have is actually using a sock for the same exact thing. So
Is this used?
it's new. It's new sock.
Are you sure?
Again, squeezing the foundation on the sock. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna like kind of spread it out because it's full coverage, and I'm just gonna bloop, 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 and then. Ooh, wow, what a difference. The sock, guys, nice touch, but really makes the foundation more full coverage. Where the pad, I can't believe how beautiful the application was for the pad. It looks so natural, so seamless, where the socks is kind of more full coverage. Would you use this?
If it was a brand new sock, yes.
It's a brand new sock.
Yeah, maybe.
Would you use the pad?
Because of the coverage, yes.
I'm impressed.
I'm impressed too. So guys, let us know what you think. Do you like the pad face more or the sock face more?
Okay, the next thing that we have, you want to try this?
Yes.
I know you love these. You have them in
I
your
do.
hair.
I have
You just
them
have them in your hair.
everywhere.
And you have like crazy thick hair. So you must stretch these out all the time.
I do. Apparently, guys, something we just learned. If you put these stretched out hair wires, you know, sometimes you stretch them out and they don't work anymore. You put them in hot water and they go
Hot
back.
water. Oh! Yeah, I know it works. I do it all the time.
That is magical.
Can you guys
It just
see what
shrunk.
happened? Can you guys see what happened? Guys, look. Look, this was not a magic
is
trick.
amazing.
I did not put a new one in. This is the same one.
That is amazing, guys. Oh my God.
It becomes new. Not only does
my
it shrink, it
God.
becomes like new. Don't just wait, you just stretch it out.
That
It's
is
hot.
so amazing.
I think that's pretty impressive.
That's really cool.
That's impressive. Okay, cool. Another thing that I actually know this works as well. This is to use soap.
Ooh, that smells really good.
So basically you can use this to create a feathery brow. So instead of using brow wax or brow mascara, you can use a bar of soap. So again, you're in your bathroom, your crush is outside of the bathroom, you need a hairdo, you want to apply some foundation and you want to fix your brows, you can do that all in the bathroom.
It's amazing.
We're going in the bathroom today. We're not going to the kitchen. We might
That's
go in the
great.
kitchen later. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and...
Ow!
It's working!
Oh, you're really hurting me.
Okay, maybe you should try.
You're supposed to use a spoon.
Oh, you're supposed to use this spoon.
You really hurt me.
No, I don't think you're supposed to. No, I actually think the way I was doing it was right.
No. It was very painful.
You do it.
Oh.
Really?
So painful.
Guys, don't do this hack. There's like, look at that. So many
You
brown
rubbed
hairs.
you rubbed my
No,
brow
it's on
so
your
hard.
other side too. There's more on your other side. Guys, don't do this hack. Don't try it at home. You've lost so many brow hairs. Look at that.
Oh my god, my eye's twitching too.
I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry about that. Ooh, yeah. I really want to know if this one works. So you apply a Q-tip in your mouth like this, and then close your mouth, and then apply a lipstick. And apparently it's going to make it perfect. Like you're going to have the perfect corners. And the corners are always like the hardest part of the lip. I feel like people sometimes get a little sloppy. And ooh, you get kind of sloppy there. So this will be really good to know. No pressure.
Oh, see. What do you think?
I don't know if this is a hack that I find to be like phenomenal. I think it does look better than you usually apply.
It does.
Yeah.
I'm
Because
usually
she
very
goes really
messy.
deep in the corners. I don't know why. That's what I always tell you.
Yeah, I do think it was good for me.
So this was from 5 Minute Craft. I definitely think that they have like some of the best hacks. This is simple, so you can try it. Everybody has Q-tips. Most people do have lipstick at their house and they wear it on a daily basis. I think it does look a lot better.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think this one was good. Is it going to be life changing? Do you feel like your life changed?
Yes.
Oh. Wow. This next one is to apply. Do you want to try this one?
Sure.
You guys probably have seen this on Instagram. I've seen this a million times. You take tweezers and you basically put like contour, and then you go down the center of your nose, and it's supposed to be like the perfect contour.
So how do you do this?
You basically like rub, and then you go down the center of your nose.
You're gonna cut my nose.
No, I'm not. Why would you even say such a thing?
Those are sharp.
I have very delicate hands.
Okay, fine.
You know that I have delicate hands.
I know you just took out all my brows.
I
so.
have delicate hands, guys. So, I'm gonna stop. Stay still. You go right here. I feel like that didn't work. It doesn't pick up the product, first of all. I don't know, like, why would everybody want the same size nose? Wait, it did work! Wait, look at the mirror. Look at that. It works. You know what? Actually, so I took a really dark color and I did this, and then I put it on Mona, and I just rubbed it down. Like, I think you're supposed to use a cream.
But I wouldn't use sharp tweezers because it does hurt. What do you guys think?
It's pretty fast. I think for people who don't know how to nose contour, I think it actually could be useful. I definitely agree, too, that tweezers can be sharp.
Yeah.
Like, that hurt you?
Yeah.
Don't use Tweezer Man. Use other tweezers. Yeah. These are too sharp, too precise.
Yeah.
I mean, these are my good tweezers. So
These are Huda Beauty tweezers. These are the best tweezers you'll ever find.
this next one, we've been eating the almonds.
They're yummy.
And
they're keto
and we're on keto. The next one, you take a lighter. We're gonna hold the almond with a tweezer.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
Oh, guys, I don't know if this is a good idea.
I don't think we should do this.
Oh, they're just toasted almond.
I'm not putting that in my
1
mouth.
second.
There's no way.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
And pads in your hair.
Does this smell like chestnuts?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm trying to get whatever is burnt. So we're gonna try. Oh no, you got my brow hairs that fell out.
Hootie.
They could have been already loose from the
Oh my
soap.
God.
I'm so sorry. Make a
Is that
wish.
how long they take to grow?
7
That's your
weeks.
lashes.
Make a wish.
For this hack, we're not very happy about it.
The next one from a really cool Instagram, her name is Promise to Mag. For this hack, you basically take this liquid liner. This is the Tardiest liquid liner, and I'm applying it to the band of this lash curler. And I'm basically going to use it to apply liner on Mona's lashes. So go ahead and look down for me. What are you doing? Maybe it's one thing you do for yourself.
I need a mirror though, like a closer mirror. Mm-hmm. I've never done this before.
Don't know. It's like it hurts very bad.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, Mona actually has the curliest lashes. That's true. They actually curl into a ball. I feel like lash curlers are so scary. So getting something so close to your eyelid to where it actually has to leave an imprint of a liner on, that just sounds so scary to me. There's got to be an easier way.
Yeah, I think so too. But I think that
do you want to try the
maybe
cut crease?
using it for cut crease would be really cool.
Oh, you do it.
So just like that?
Yeah. My favorite color.
Okay. Is that good?
Oh.
I have eyeliner there. Yeah, it's nice actually.
For the cut crease, it was so nice.
Yeah.
Promise, that was like amazing.
Yeah, I agree.
The liner hack, which I know we've seen other parts of the internet,
just
I don't
doesn't
like
work for me.
Yeah, I don't like
Maybe
that at all.
for somebody else.
Do that other cut crease. It's really pretty. You should do that all the time now.
I will.
Yeah.
Thank you, Promise.
Just make sure that you put it in the same place. That's really important because then you're going to have 2 super defined cut creases in like different places. I like that. That's actually amazing. I know there's a bunch of things that you can use. I've seen people use spoons, different things. This I feel like is easy because you have it in your beauty console. Like you don't need to go into the kitchen to get a spoon to do the cut crease. You could just use this. I think that was really cool.
That is really cool.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
I might buy a eyelash curler.
I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit. All right, so we're gonna try one last hack. We're going to go ahead and try shaving cream as makeup remover. I feel like this is gonna work.
I look so glam though now. I don't want to take off my makeup.
I think this is Nora's shaving cream that we use for making slime. These hacks worked amazing. Mona looks so pretty.
I know. I don't don't want to take my makeup off.
You like didn't want to be in this tutorial and you actually ended up looking really glam.
I know, I'm so impressed.
Oh my god, it's so effective.
Really? I look like a clown.
You
Okay,
smell?
what?
Whoa! Even the stain went away.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Wow.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow!
Wow.
Mona, don't wipe down. Wipe up.
Oh.
You're gonna have a saggy face. Wipe up.
Okay.
Up. Upwards. There you go. Upwards. That is so impressive, guys. I don't even like. That is insane.
That is really amazing.
Oh my god, guys, that was so impressive. I can't even believe how amazing that was. So we're going to take these pads out and find out if these are the best things for sleeping rollers. Now, we've only put them on for like 20 minutes or 30 minutes, so let's see if these work. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the first one. Cue the...
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay. That's not bad.
Are you kidding? It looks like I used a curling iron.
Wow.
This looks like I used Layla Milani's curling tongue.
Wow,
And you can sleep with it.
That's not bad at all.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Mona, look how amazing that looks.
Why does it look so good?
I don't know. So, you just want to make sure you put your curls in the right place, but...
It's actually really cool. Let's see. It's just so you guys can see it properly, like against the backdrop. Wow. It's not bad at all.
They look amazing. What are you talking about?
I'm going to buy pads.
For this reason.
Yeah.
Your hair is not completely dry yet.
Yeah.
So, like, I do think you need to leave it in a little bit longer.
I think sleep in it.
Yeah, sleep in it. This is impressive, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? Guys, comment down below. What was your favorite hack that we tried today? Are there any hacks that you guys want to see us try?
And I'm going to try it on Huda next time. Revenge.
Fine. I'll let you do
Revenge
that.
is sweet, so give me some really good ones.
Make sure you guys subscribe and turn your notifications on. There's a lot of videos coming for you guys. And hopefully Mona will be back.
Yes, I want a revenge video. Hacks on Huda. So.
Fine, we'll do it.
Or I'll do your makeup again.
Sure. We'll do that. All right, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check Mona out. We're going to put all her details down below where you guys can follow her everywhere. And we'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.
It smells so good.